Young, saved in Unashamed, Episode 1.
I'm really hoping he buys this house. Because if this deal goes through, I'm taking my brother to Cape Town after the Livites conference. We really need it.
Apologies for being late. I had some business to handle. Would you mind showing me around? This is a beautiful space. I'll take it. It's getting a bit late. Would you be open to discussing the details over dinner? My treat. My family has been working with this realtor group for decades. I'll be sure to put in a good word with your boss. You really know your way around the house and the location. You said your name is Tinashi, right?
Thank Mr. Marcus. I am truly passionate about what I do.
You carry yourself differently.
Differently?
Yeah, confidently, but not in a way you see often.
I just take my work seriously, Mr. Marcus.
I don't think it's just your work.
Let's move quickly. Looks like no one is alive.